Here's how to install your new Ring Floodlight Cam. Download the Ring app if you haven't already. The app is going to walk you through scanning the QR code on the back of the device or on the setup guide. Before you begin, disconnect power at the fuse or circuit breaker before installing Floodlight Cam. Install the included bracket onto your electrical box. Inspect the wires in your electrical box. You should see one black wire for live, one white for neutral, and one bare metal or green for ground. Feed the power and ground wires from your home through the hole in the plate and center it over your junction box. Make sure the arrow marked up points to the sky. Grab a leftover screw from bag B or C. Then install the plastic mounting plate. Feed it through the center hole in the bracket and tighten it. To protect the camera from water, create a watertight seal between your electrical box and the mounting plate. Then, hang your floodlight cam from the mounting plate with the fabric strap on the back. Connect your wires from your box to floodlight cam. Connect black to black, white to white, and your bare metal or green ground wire to green. Line up the ends of each pair, then pop a wire nut on top and turn it clockwise to bind them solidly together. Slide on the light fixture. Press it into place until the posts come through the front of the fixture. Remove the screwdriver bit from its handle and use the open end of the handle as a wrench to secure the fixture with the included cap nuts. Turn the camera module clockwise 180 degrees, then point it at the area you want to monitor. When you're satisfied, tighten the screw on the camera collar to lock it in place. Head back to the breaker box and turn the power back on, and just like that, you're now protected with the new Ring Floodlight Cam.